how to disable game notifications. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how you can disable game notifications. And so let's get right into it. The first step, first thing you must note is that for you to disable game notifications, you have to disable game notifications, you have to disable it directly from your phone settings. You cannot do it on the game app. So to do that, go to your phone settings page, and so on the settings page, click on app management and click on app list. Then search out the application called you know and so once you've done that, you do it for it to be displayed. And so once you can find your application on the details page where you can see notifications, permissions, storage and cache, etc., go ahead and click on notifications. And so you can see the alarm notification tab, and you can see that it is turned on. So for you to disable this, just tap on the toggle, and then once it goes off, it shows that it has been disabled. Then to enable it again, you can just click on it to turn it on, then to disable it like that. So that is it. Your notification game notifications has been disabled. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and have a good day.